Sharon Thread. So I need your help today because I am going to the LTK conference, which is like basically a huge get together for a bunch of creators and influencers and brands and all the fun things. And I'm super excited to go this year. I had to miss last year, went the year prior, and it's just so much fun. But I have got to plan my outfits, and I've had so much fun picking things out, but I need help narrowing down what to actually pack and what to wear. So I thought you guys could help me. I'm gonna show you everything that I am thinking through, and you let me know in the comments which outfits you like best, and all the links will be in the video description. So starting off with the first event, the first night that we get there. So they do like themed events the first couple of nights, which is really fun. And the first night, the theme is quiet elegant. So kind of that like old money style. So first option is this white tweed dress with the puff sleeve. Love it. It's got cute, adorable bow detail here, little black trim. I have the size small in this one, and I think it fits perfectly, and it's just so classy and cute. The length is really good on this one, and this would also be good if you have like a workwear event or something to attend, or you need something that looks very professional and chic. I think this is a great option. Paired that one with these two things. So first of all, these little simple black pointed toe mules. I feel like these are giving quiet elegance vibes to me. They're very chic. This is a good go-to heel, and they're pretty comfortable to walk in because there will be a lot of, not walking, but there will be a lot of standing. And so I want something that's not super uncomfortable to stand in most of the night. And then check out this bag. Is this not so fabulous? I think it's adorable and so unique and fun. It's a little pearl closure, and then it does have a chain if you wanted to wear it like crossbody or around your shoulder. But this is so cute with the black. Okay, here is the second option, which I'm also in love with. You guys know pink has my heart right now, and this bubblegum pink color is giving me so much life. I'm obsessed, and I also feel like there's probably gonna be a lot of black and white because of the theme, so I thought this would be a way to do still like a really chic look that's kind of a more muted color, but gives a little pop of color and a little something different. It's got these gorgeous gold rimmed buttons, pockets down the front. I also kind of like the length of this one a little bit more. It hits just a touch shorter, which I feel like is a little bit more flattering on my frame 5'3", but I really honestly like both of them and have truly not decided. So I need you guys to vote in the comments. Night one, do you like black and white or do you like the pink? And hold on, because you haven't seen the shoes yet for the pink. And these, oh my gosh, this might be the most beautiful pair of shoes I've ever laid eyes on. How gorgeous are these? These are a little pricier than the black ones, but this is a timeless like silhouette that I feel like I'll wear a lot, and I just think they are so, so pretty. Any kind of event that you have going on, I think this is such a statement shoe while still being really neutral. Brides, this is a great one for you if you are needing something like for a shower or a rehearsal dinner or something. Gorgeous little shoe option, and these are true to size and also pretty comfortable to walk and stand in. Moving into the daytime outfit, so this is during the day, Monday and Tuesday. I think they coined it snappy casual is the dress code, which basically is just like a fancy way of saying business casual, but make it your own style and make it fun. So I'm gonna talk about the outfit that I have on first. I think this is a little dressed down for the full day event, but I also will be traveling on the day of and they have like a check-in when we get there, and I believe we can like meet with brands and stuff that first day. So I may wear this the first day, but I wanted to share it with you too because I think this sweater is adorable. It's gonna be high sellout risk. This is one that I think they've already had to restock once. It's such a cute fit. It's kind of like cropped. And then these are the Amazon wide leg pants I've had for years. They never fail me, and I think they're really good for an event like this, especially on a travel day when I want something that looks chic, but I'm gonna be in the car for 4 hours. I don't wanna be uncomfortable either. I think I've landed on including this outfit because this just feels so very Jess to me, and I love something that feels like it really showcases my personal style. That's kind of the whole goal of picking these outfits, but I wanted to share with you anyway, and still do definitely cast your votes because I might change my mind. But this top is gorgeous. The little bow tie front top, super trendy and fun right now, but I like that this one is just sewn on bows and that you don't have to actually tie them, because I feel like that is a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about them coming untied or wearing a cami underneath. The peplum on this is really cute, cute puff sleeve. And this is almost like a canvasy type fabric. It's really thick, good quality. And then this little skirt, so much fun. It's a faux leather skirt. It's quilted on the front, then it's shorts in the back. Fits like a glove. I have the medium in both of these pieces and it's just adorable on. I also snagged these flats. Dolce Vita is just really doing it for me right now with their new shoes. I had those pearl heels that I shared were Dolce Vita, and I think these are one of the most beautiful pairs of flats that I've seen in a while. I love the gold detailing. It's a beautiful way of doing a super neutral, just like suede flat, but you've got the sling back and you've got this little ring detail, which I think makes them fun and unique, and these are very, very comfortable. The day 2 outfit is still very up in the air. So this is another outfit that I love. The only thing I'm not sure about this is it is more of a springy color palette, and I'm kind of gearing more toward fall right now. It's in Dallas, so it's gonna be plenty hot. So I'm not really worried about that. It's more just like, am I in the mood for a pink skirt and a pink blazer right now? I don't know, but I got this recently at J. Crew Factory, and I do like that this is like a deeper pink color and navy. Really simple, easy to wear, very comfortable. It's elastic around the back. And then I paired it with this linen blazer that I've had for quite a while. Love bringing in a pop of pink. I'm torn on it because I'm like, do I want spring color palette? But then I also think that everyone else is gonna be wearing fall stuff, so maybe it would be nice to throw in a pop of pink. So I don't know. I really like both of these outfits, honestly. And I think you could definitely wear these for workwear or break them apart and do them more casually too. Leopard is having a definite moment right now, and I thought this slip dress, this is from Amazon, would be a great, really comfortable way to incorporate some of this print. I'm going for cute and very put together, but also still comfortable because I am still battling cancer right now, and so I don't want something that's all like squeezing on me and making me uncomfortable the whole time I'm there. So this is really loose and flowy. It's got adjustable straps. And then I am pairing that with this denim vest from my capsule wardrobe that I posted a few weeks ago. It's got the little buckle in the back, super cute on. I feel like it's missing a little something. I'm not sure what, but I feel like it needs a little extra something. So I'm gonna keep workshopping this. I also ordered a pair of leopard jeans that I might do with this and like a button down. So I'm not sure, but let me know if this is your favorite in the comments. So for the daytime, let me know if you're liking sweater, which would be this, the pink, which would be the blazer, the brown, which would be the skirt, or the leopard, which would be the slip dress I just showed. The second party, the theme is like winter glam. So it said like silks, satins, metallics, that kind of thing. So I found this set and I'm in love with this. I think it is so gorgeous, and I think I'll get a lot of wear out of this after the conference as well, since this is a 2-piece, but it's this strapless top, beautiful rose detailing in the front. It's smocked in the back, so it's actually pretty comfortable. It's stretchy. It does have a zip and a hook and eye as well. And this also comes in black, but I thought this was like a kind of pretty wintry type of color. And then this is just a matching satiny skirt. Really like the fit on this. It's got a nice slit that's really flattering, easy to walk in, elastic waist here, which makes it really easy to wear. And like I said, I think I can do this for even like the holidays with a really pretty beaded sweater or something like that. I can do this as like a date night top with jeans. So I think there's a lot of ways to wear this, and this is actually a really affordable price point for what it is. This is like a totally different direction, but I really love this too. This is an Amazon find, under $40, so great price on this. And it's a little bit more like a sassy vibe, so it's not silky satiny. This is like a faux leather that's kind of a heavier fabric, but this is really stretchy. This I think is more comfortable probably than the pink just to wear because it's like this billowy, flowy, easy fabric and easy silhouette, but this one has pockets, does have adjustable straps in the back, and I feel like this is one I could wear a lot afterwards as well. The last option for that event is this dress that I shared at my most recent Amazon haul. I think this is perfect for the theme. It's like a wintry color, it's silky, satiny. I love the one shoulder. I love the way this fits. It is pretty comfortable to wear. It's got this elastic waist here that gives you a little bit of a waistline, but there's not anything like tight to the skin with this. My only thought with this one is from Amazon, and I know a lot of the girls shop on Amazon, and I don't want to be one of like 10 people that show up in this dress. So that's kind of my only thought. I want something it's a little bit unique, but I also feel like this fits the theme perfectly and will be so beautiful on and comfortable to wear. So I'm very much torn. So let me know the last night if you like the pink, the black, or the blue. That's a wrap on me trying to pack my bag for the LTK Con. I so appreciate your help. So please let me know in the comments which was your faves. And you can find all of the links in the video description if you see anything you love. I'll catch y'all next time.